So here, what is the table type and the structure difference? Table type is a multiple entries, whereas the structure, this is structure. So this is for only single record. Okay. Now, first you have to do a data declaration. Okay, you have to declare all of this. You have to take a field catalog, layout. This is optional. If you want to show an event, then you will take that. So there are multiple events are there in the LV. There are like top of page is there. Top of page. There is an event called user command event. Okay. Then you have a end of list. End of list. Okay. So there are many events that will come across all these events one by one. Okay. Now here. So this is step two. Step two, what is telling, if you have a variant, then you can default it also. So what is the function model used to select or validate the variant? So first you will be reuse LV variant default get, reuse LV variant F4, reuse LV variant existence. If any variant somebody has saved, that variant will be automatically selected and displayed in this function model. Okay. Now the third one is this is steps to create a function field catalog. So there are two ways to create a field catalog. One is a field catalog automatically and manually. Okay. So what is the function model we are using to create a field catalog? So these function models are basically to have a variant. Okay. But this is highly optional. Okay. For variant in LV report. These are different function model. Okay. Now for field catalog, field catalog can be designed two way. Okay. Automatically, what is the function model that you can use? This function model will be used always automatically. Okay. Manually also can do. So how can I do manually? You have to declare a data types. So as I told, this is the data type. You have to declare a I field catalog types list. That means this is a table. Okay. And then you have to append it and pass in that function model. I will explain all this. Don't worry for that. One by one, we'll understand this. Okay. But just remember, there are two ways of declaring a field catalog. One is manual, and another is a automatically. Okay. Now this is to show a event. Okay, how you can have a take a different event. So in the event, top of page is there, end of page is there, end of list is there, user command. All this event you have to take part of this. So you can take by using reuse LV event get, or directly you want to pass that event name in a function module. Use grid. Okay. And this is layout basically. So layout basically used to display the data. So there are different things are there for different color. Okay, and total summation, exception, add. So all this display option you can get in the layout. Okay. So this is how you can use a layout. Okay, there is a zebra. You can make a column optimization, no input hotspot also you can make it. So all this functionality one by one we will learn in the this is to sort a data. If you want to sort by default, then you have to use, there is a called t sort info. Okay. Then the next one is, this is to give a top-up page. So if you are using a top-up page, you have to use this function module, reuse LB commentary write. As I told, list t listed will be used to now append the data into that, and you know to pass that function module to this. You need to pass that internal table data to this function module. Okay. And finally, you need to display the data. So let us do one by one so that you can understand more clearly. Okay, so let us, okay. Let me go to the program. I will show one by one how you can write a LV program. Just observe very carefully. If you have any doubt, just let me ask. Okay. The demo I'm writing first. LV report. Okay. So here I'll create my display. LV. What is my requirement? My requirement, I will display, I will take two table, that is VBAK and VBAP. I will use inner join with that, or I will use for line trace and I display the data in a LV report. Okay, got it? Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Here I will take a VBAK. VBAK. Okay, let me take this many fields only just for demo. So what all this is data declaration. So we have to take a data. Okay, ID. Let's say VBAP type standard table of UI VBAP. Then you have a work area also. I have a IT VBAP. Apart from that, you have to declare a field catalog. So you have a ITFCAT type. What is the type here? Slice T field cat LV. Okay, this is one type. Another is you have to declare a work area field catalog. So if I'll click on this, no. So this is the structure. Can you see? This is a, sorry, this is a type group. Let me go here. Okay, slice directly taking with the slice. So see here this line. Okay. So this is a table type T type slice LV. So this is a structure actually. I'll click on that. What is doing? It's a begin of end of. So it is a structure. Include structure. So here I have to take. This is the work area. Okay. I'll copy this. Yes. Then I have a layout, ls underscore layout type. Now what else? Okay, this many things are there. Just put this, activate. What is the default event in a report? Startup selection. What I'll do? I have to perform get data. Okay. So here, so let me take a parameter over here. I'll use simply a sales order number. So what I'll do, I will select all these data. So compared to joins, which one is faster? Yes. Which one is faster, join or for all entries?
For all entries.
Yeah. So here I have to take another TY final, right? Yes. I have to take a times. Yes, everyone is following what I'm doing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just let me complete this. I will explain everything. So here, I use read table IT VBAK into VBAK with key. What is my key? Is VBAP if size of bar C equal to 0, then just paste it. So here, I'll do no. Just delete it. So,
VPLM. Equal to WE. So equal to work area VPLM.
right from the starting, I copied what is useless, right? Error is showing. Oh, sorry, we didn't declare the type declaration. Only you did type declaration. We didn't declare the internal table and the work area. Okay. Yeah. Then you have Now, now, what are the details are there for BBAP? What is the last statement you have to write? Append work area into yes to IT.
Final.
Yes. So everything you got data into my IT final. Okay, got it. Now what is the next thing we need to do? You need to display. But here the normal in normal classical report we used to display simply loop statement and write statement. But here this will not work out in the LV case. So here what do you have to write? You have to build a field catalog for that. Okay. What is this field catalog? Let me show here right now. You have to build a field catalog. Okay. So what is this field catalog?
End of selection we have to write.
Huh?
End of selection.
End of selection, normally you do not use end of selection. If you do not use end of selection, SAP by default it will understand that selection has been done. Okay. Either you can write here end of selection or don't write, that's well and fine. Okay. End of selection. Okay, that's all. So here, let me go to this field catalog. So what I will give, so here you can go to that field catalog. So this is my field catalog. If I go here, so there are different fields are there. Can you see if I click on this? There are a lot of fields are there. Okay, so here, this field you have to consider. Okay, what are the fields you have to consider? Let me go here. Here you have to do fcat hyphen call position. Okay, for the column position one, then you have to write a field name. What is the field name here? So as I told, field catalog can be created two way. One is automatic, another is a manual. So I am interested to do manual because always we are writing manual. We can do also with the automatical also. That approach we will also do that approach in a different system. So here, let me paste it over here. Okay. So here, what I'll write. What is the field name? JBLM. Before utilizing this, you have to clear that overflow. So I'll keep on add for other fields. So what are the other fields I just taken IT final? I'll just take over here. I'll just copy them. That's it. I don't want to write individually. I'll copy them now. Okay, I will change this one. What is the next field? Let's put ERDAT. Okay. And here, I'll give a show date. I will change this one to 2. This 3. And this is 4. This 5. హలో ఎక్కడ So this is the way I just created a field catalog. Now next thing is what I'll do. Moment time is 4:20. So next thing what I'll do, I'll just prepare a field catalog. Okay. Sorry, field catalog is done. So next thing I have to prepare a layout. Okay. So here perform layout. Perform layout. What I'll do here, I'll do a less layout. Zebra equal to X. Layout. What is that? All optimize, I think there is. All routes optimize. Okay. I will take this one. This is equal to X. So the next thing what I do, display. Okay, so what I'll do, I will use in a grid format. So what is that function model I will use? I will use grid display. I will take this function module. Okay. So what are the things I need to pass here in exporting? I need to pass layout, IT field catalog. Okay. So here I need to pass ls underscore layout, and here I should pass as a IT underscore fcat. Another table. What I should pass? I should pass IT. I'll execute this. Activate. Okay. Now once I will pass this value, what is this value? Self sort of value.
So we need to pass IT final or field catalog, that final table.
All everything. See the data display in this format. Okay. Got it. Yes. So you can download the Excel file here also. If you want, you can download. Somewhere you can download over here. If I want to download, then I will click on. So here, directly I can download here also. Just export to Word spreadsheet. I can download this data. Okay. Yes. No, but we are downloaded in a different format. Okay, let me understand the behavior how to. So how I got this? What are the three things I followed during the display? So already you know the earlier steps, right? Already you know these steps, how to get the data, how to set data. But here to get a LV, to display LV, you have to first prepare a field catalog like this. Okay, got it. What are the fields you have to pass? Column position, what is that field, what is the table name, and this is the description. Okay, so if I'll display this one, on a top, I am getting a description, right? On this top, the column description, currency, sales item. Okay, got it. Yes. So I will pass all this. First I will prepare this field catalog. Then I will go to layout. Layout, I will prepare this layout. Okay. I will prepare here zebra means this zebra will give you the different patterns, like this pattern you are getting, right? This LV is a different pattern, like different patterns are there. This. Okay. So this is called zebra pattern. And here
Other than X, what we can do?
only X only. Will take character of 1. Okay. So here call with optimization means, suppose there is a column called you take 20 character, out of that only 10 character utilized. So automatically rest 20 column will be optimized. Okay. Got it? So for that you are using the call optimization. Okay. Column width optimization.